Thank you, students. Today I am going to start the new chapter, hydrogen sulfide. Its chemical formula is H2S. It is a covalent compound. The atomic number of sulfur is 16. In its atomic structure, the electronic distribution is 286. That means it has 6 electrons of its outermost orbit. One of them, that means one electron of sulfur, is shared with one hydrogen. Another electron of sulfur is also shared with another hydrogen. So this hydrogen fulfill its outermost orbit by 2 electrons, and this hydrogen also fulfill its outermost orbit by 2 electrons. And sulfur use these 2 pair of electron or shared electron and fulfill its outermost orbit by 8 electrons. So sulfur atom attached with both hydrogen atom by a single bond, and the 2 pair of hydrogen remains unpaired, and thus the sulfuric H2S, that means hydrogen sulfide molecule, is formed. Now the laboratory preparation of hydrogen sulfide. In laboratory preparation of hydrogen sulfide, we need ferrous sulfide and dilute sulfuric acid. Ferrous sulfide reacts with dilute sulfuric acid at room temperature to form hydrogen sulfide, and with that hydrogen sulfide also ferrous sulfate is also formed. When sulfuric acid must be dilute, reacts with ferrous sulfide, it forms hydrogen sulfide and ferrous sulfate. Now the drying of H2S, if needed, H2S is dried by passing through P2O5. That means here the P2O5 is used as a drying agent of hydrogen sulfide, because of H2S is acidic in nature and P2O5 is also acidic in nature. Now collection of hydrogen sulfide gas. Hydrogen sulfide gas is not collected over water because it is soluble in water, and also hydrogen sulfide is heavier than air, and that is why dry hydrogen sulfide gas is collected by upward displacement of air. It is not collected above water because it is the soluble in water, and it is collected in gas jar by upward displacement of air because it is heavier than air. Now the purification of H2S gas. When H2S gas is prepared in laboratory, with that prepared H2S gas, some amount of hydrogen gas, water vapor and sulfuric acid vapor are mixed with it. Now how we remove these impurities? Here it is the H2S gas with it hydrogen, water vapor and sulfuric acid vapor. These impurities are mixed with them. First of all, this mixture of gas pass through the sodium hydrogen sulfide, which absorbs H2SO4 vapor. Now it is passed through P2O5. When this gas mixture is passed through P2O5, here P2O5 absorbs water or water vapor. Now this gas mixture is passed through a U-tube, which is immersed in freezing mixture. Here H2S is liquefied and hydrogen gas passed out. That means this mixture is passed through, that means is cooled in the freezing mixture chamber. Here the H2S gas is liquefied and it is collected and hydrogen is passed out. Now this liquid H2S is warmed and to get hydrogen sulfide gas. Now the question is, in laboratory we prepare H2S gas by the reaction of ferrous sulfide and dilute sulfuric acid. Why not we use nitric acid or hydrogen HCl gas, that means hydrochloric acid. Here why not you use nitric acid? Nitric acid, as first it react with FeS and produce H2S gas. But problem is HNO3 is very strong oxidizing agent. So nitric acid oxidize, prepare H2S to sulfur. So H2S reacts with nitric acid, excess amount of nitric acid in the flux to form nitrogen dioxide, sulfur and water. So the preparation of H2S gas is hampered. So HNO3 is not used due to its strong oxidizing agent property. Now HCl. Why not HCl is used? HCl is not used because it is a volatile liquid. That means it vaporized at a low temperature. If FeS is used, if HCl is used to produce FeCl, here H2S gas is produced, but HCl vapor comes out with that evolved H2S gas and will make it impure. Now the some physical properties of sulfurated hydrogen or hydrogen sulfide gas. H2S gas is a colorless gas, but it has bad smell like rotten eggs. Number 2, H2S is very poisonous gas above 0.1% concentration. That means if 0.1% H2S gas is present in our atmosphere, the air will be poisonous. Number 3, H2S gas is soluble in cold water but practically insoluble in hot water. H2S is heavier than air, and that is why it is collected by the upward displacement of air. In my next video, I will discuss about chemical properties of hydrogen sulfide.